What if I told you that thousands of Americans are quietly leaving everything behind? Not for Europe, not for the Caribbean, but for a place you might not expect. But why? Is it the low cost of living, the breathtaking islands, or something even deeper? Today, we uncover the real reasons why so many foreigners are choosing the Southeast Asian paradise as their new home, and why it might just be the perfect destination for you. Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal a surprising fact about life in the Philippines that could change the way you see this country forever. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you see life abroad.
Di ba? Yan ang sinasabi ko na talagang ang Pilipinas ay dinadagsa na ngayon ng mga foreigners. Kaya stick kayo sa ating channel. Please po, comment down below kayo kung ano masasabi ninyo. Like and subscribe. Ito po ang Wow Philippines. Panoorin natin. Don't skip the ads. Don't skip the video.
Now picture this, a life where your monthly expenses shrink by more than half, where a beachfront home costs less than a cramped apartment in the US, and where every meal feels like a feast for just a few dollars. Sounds like a dream, right? For thousands of Americans, that dream is becoming reality in the Philippines.
Oo.
The numbers speak for themselves. Living here is up to 72.4 cheaper than in the US. Imagine having a
Talaga.
comfortable lifestyle on just $620 a month, while the same standard of living in America could cost 4 times more. But it's not just about the savings, it's about the freedom it gives you. Affordable Paradise, a beachfront apartment for $280. That's not a fantasy, that's real life.
Yes.
Incredible food, fresh seafood, vibrant street markets, and gourmet meals for under $5. Lower expenses, transportation. 70 cheaper, utilities, a fraction of US costs. And let's not forget the priceless luxury of time. Less financial stress means more moments to actually live. But beyond affordability, the Philippines offers something even more valuable, an unmatched quality of life. Endless summer, with an average temperature of 27 degrees year-round, and over 2,100 hours of sunshine, you can say goodbye to freezing winters for adventure everywhere. From diving in the stunning Tobataha Reef to...
Yun ang sinasabi ko, no, kung naghahanap sila ng mainit na lugar, yung talagang katamtaman lang, Pilipinas ang destinasyon nila. No? Kasi dito, tama lang ang klima. Hindi masyadong mainit, hindi masyadong malamig. Minsan, talagang makakaramdam ka ng fresh ang iyong pakiramdam. Kasi nga dahil sa yung araw na sikat, tapos medyo mahangin, okay na yun, lalong-lalo na sa karagatan.
To hiking the legendary Bano Rice Terraces, every day can be an adventure. And this is just the beginning. Stick around, because later in this video, I'll reveal one surprising fact about life in the Philippines that most people don't know, but it might just convince you to move. Why are so many Americans moving to the Philippines? The answer will surprise you. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss life-changing insights like this. Now let's explore why thousands of Americans are leaving the US and finding a new home in the heart of Southeast Asia. A dream lifestyle without the price tag. Imagine this, and you wake up to the soothing sound of ocean waves, step out onto your private balcony, and breathe in the warm tropical air as you sip on a glass of freshly squeezed mango juice.
Baliktad na, dati ang dream ng Pilipinas o mga Pinoy ay Amerika. Ngayon, ang dream nila ngayon ay pupuntahan ang Pilipinas. Siguro kung may pera man ako, siguro hindi na rin ako pupunta ng Amerika sa tingin ko. Mas gugustuhin ko na talagang i-explore ang buong Pilipinas. O, di ba?
The sun casts a golden glow over the crystal clear waters, and you take a moment to appreciate the peace and simplicity of life.
Tama.
But here's the real surprise. Your entire monthly expenses are less than $1,000. A cost of living, up to 72, lower than the US. For many Americans, the dream of living in a beachfront condo, eating out regularly, and enjoying a stress-free lifestyle seems financially out of reach. But in the Philippines, this luxurious yet affordable way of life is a reality. One of the biggest cost-saving factors is rent. A fully furnished one-bedroom apartment in a prime city location like Sidiu or Davao costs as little as $280 per month. Compare that to $1,500 or more in the US, and you start to see how far your money can stretch. If you prefer a beachfront bungalow or a house in a gated community, you can find stunning options for under $500 per month. Food, dining. I love eating out. You're in luck. In the Philippines, you can enjoy a delicious full-course meal, including fresh seafood, rice, and tropical fruits, for as little as $3 to $5. Fancy a coffee at a local cafe? A cappuccino costs around $2, while street food snacks like chicken skewers, fresh spring rolls, or Halo Halo dessert can be bought for under $1. And for those who enjoy cooking at home, local markets offer fresh produce, meats, and seafood at a fraction of US. Grocery prices. Transportation. No need to own a car. Public transportation is incredibly cheap and convenient.
Napakadami.
Jeepneys and buses cost as little as 25 cents per ride, while ride-hailing apps like Grab offer affordable taxi services. Renting a motorbike. That's just $50 a month, and gasoline prices are significantly lower than in the US.
Oo.
Even with air conditioning running, your monthly electricity bill rarely exceeds $50. Water costs are minimal, and high-speed fiber optic internet is available for around $30 per month, perfect for remote workers and digital nomads.
Tama.
Healthcare. Medical expenses in the Philippines are shockingly low compared to the US. A full consultation with a private doctor costs around $10 to $20, while a hospital
Ito mga foreigners na yung mga nagre-report nito, no? Kasi yung iba kasi ng mga nagko-comment, sabi nila maniniwala daw sila kung foreigners ang mga nagre-report nito. Eh mga foreigners ang nagbo-vlog, 'di ba? Ako nagre-reaction ako dito dahil nga alam ko na nandito na sila ngayon ang mga Amerikano kasi mas mababa ang lower cost ng pagtira nila sa Pilipinas i-compare mo sa Amerika. Kasi nga triple nga daw ang mga binabayaran doon, no? Tubig, kuryente, internet. Dito sa Pilipinas, halos mababa pa rin ang tingin nila talaga. Pero sa makatulad natin mga Pilipino na nandito sa Pilipinas, gusto pa natin mas ibaba pa ang mga halaga ng mga bilihin. Dahil yun ang naman ang pera natin, sapat na tayo doon, ano, komportable na tayo doon sa mga presyo na mababa. Pero mas gusto pa natin na mas lower pa kasi nga marami talagang nagrereklamo pa talaga. Pero yung mga dayuhan, sapat na sa kanila dahil mababa na nga ang tingin nila.
Hospital visit or routine medical checkup is a fraction of what it would be in the US. For those needing ongoing treatment, prescription medications and procedures are significantly more affordable. Many expats also choose to purchase private health
Yes.
insurance for around $50 to $100 per month, ensuring world-class medical care at leading hospitals in Manila, Cebu, and Davao.
See you.
A life without financial stress. For retirees, digital nomads, and adventure seekers, the Philippines isn't just a place to save money. It's a place to truly enjoy life. Retirees can stretch their social security or pension much further, allowing them to afford a comfortable lifestyle, domestic help, and even frequent vacations to the country's stunning islands and mountain retreats.
Yes.
Remote workers and entrepreneurs benefit from lower operational costs, making it easier to build savings while working from beautiful, co-working spaces or beachfront cafes. Adventure seekers and budget travelers can explore the country's 7,600 islands without breaking the bank, whether it's snorkeling in
'Di ba? Tama ako. Kasi kung kayo ay mga travelers kayo, i-explore nyo muna ang buong Pilipinas bago kayo lumabas ng bansa. Kasi marami pa talagang mga lugar dito sa Pilipinas ang dapat ninyong i-explore.
in El Nido, hiking in Sagada, or experiencing the vibrant city life of Manila or Cebu. With an affordable cost of living, stunning natural
There you
beauty,
go.
and welcoming local culture, it's no surprise that more and more
Bravo, yeah.
Americans are choosing to make the Philippines their home. So the real question is, why haven't you made the move yet? A tropical escape from the cold, tired of freezing winters, waking up to snow-covered driveways, and spending hours shoveling just to get out of your house.
Yun mo naman yung
Imagine
ganda, oh.
trading in the
Boracay.
harsh cold for warm ocean breezes, golden sunsets, and endless days of sunshine. Welcome to the
Boracay, no?
Philippines, where winter coats are a thing of the past and tropical bliss is a way of life. Year-round tropical climate. Say goodbye to the cold. The Philippines enjoys a warm, tropical climate all year round, with temperatures averaging around 27 degrees Celsius. Unlike in the US, where winters can be brutal, the Philippines offers an endless summer, perfect for
Endless
those who
summer.
love sunshine, outdoor adventures, and a relaxed lifestyle.
Ito
Over 2,100 hours.
ito gustong-gusto talaga ng mga foreigners yan, no? Tingnan mo, sumasayaw nga sila. Gustong-gusto talaga ng mga foreigners yan dahil nga tropical island, tropical country ang Pilipinas, mainit talaga. Hindi naman ganun kainit, ano? Pag may mga month naman na sobrang init, may mga month naman na katamtaman ng init lang ng araw. Kaya, kasi dito nga sa Pilipinas, halos hindi ka makakaramdam talaga ng lamig. Gusto mo talaga yung katawan mo mas presko lagi sa mga ganitong mga sinag ng araw. Kaya nga tingnan mo si Elon Musk gustong-gusto dito sa Pilipinas.
Hours of sunshine annually ensure that gloomy, gray
Masaya
days
to.
are a rare occurrence. No snow, no ice, no freezing temperatures. Just
No
warm,
snow.
breezy days and pleasant tropical nights.
Masaya.
Even during the rainy season to October, showers are usually short-lived, followed by blue skies and fresh, cooler air.
Wow.
For expats coming from cold regions like New York, Chicago, or Canada, the shift to perpetual warmth is life-changing.
Wow.
No more heavy jackets, no more heating bills, just flip-flops, shorts, and sunny beach days. A landscape for every lifestyle.
True.
Whether you're drawn to pristine beaches, lush mountains, or vibrant city life, the Philippines offers diverse landscapes that cater to every preference. Love the beach.
Wow.
Wake up in a beachfront villa in Palawan, where the white sands and turquoise waters of El Nido or Coron are just steps from your door. Spend your mornings snorkeling, paddleboarding, or enjoying a fresh
Ganda,
coconut
no?
under the shade of a palm tree. Prefer the mountains? Escape to Baguioy or Tagaytay, where the air is cooler, the views are stunning, and you're surrounded by pine forests, rolling hills, and scenic lakes. These highland retreats offer a peaceful, laid-back atmosphere, perfect for retirees or those seeking a break from the tropical heat. Love city life. The bustling energy of Manila, CBU, and Davao offers the perfect blend
Davao.
of modern
Davao.
conveniences and cultural charm. Enjoy luxury high-rise condos overlooking Manila Bay, vibrant nightlife.
O, di
World
ba? Kaya dito sa Pilipinas mai-enjoy talaga nila yung mga buhay nila, no, kasi sila sa kanilang mga bansa puro lamig, naka-jacket sila, hindi nila mape-perform mabuti yung kanilang mga kasuotan. Pero dito sa Pilipinas kahit na anong style ng panunuot mo talagang okay yan, wag lang masyadong nakahubad na, no, kasi dito sa Pilipinas talaga mas marami talagang mga dayuhan na ngayon, no, itong 2025 dinadagsa talaga ang Pilipinas ngayon ng mga dayuhan, lalong-lalo na sa mga taga-Amerika, andito na sila ngayon, no? Kasi nga nakita nila yung murang bilihin para sa kanila, no? Kasi para sa mga Pilipino mataas pa rin yan eh. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, ang mga foreigner dito talagang swak na swak ang pera nila na dolyar na bitbit nila dahil nga marami silang mabibili, marami sila talagang pondo sa kanilang pagtira dito, no? Kaya masaya sila na nandito sa Pilipinas kasi marami silang magagawang mga gusto nilang i-travel, gusto nilang gawin sa buhay na maging masaya. Yun lang naman, ano, kung may pera ka, gawin mo na lahat. Wag lang yung masama. Kasi nga, darating ang araw pag tumanda ka na, wala na, hindi mo na magagawa ito. Kaya habang mas bata ka, gawin mo nang maging masaya ka. Yan. At please, comment down below kayo, like and subscribe sa ating channel kung anong masasabi ninyo sa mga foreigners na nandito na sa Pilipinas. Kaya welcome kayo sa aming bansa. Maraming salamat. Keep safe. God bless po.